Welcome back to the Tracey Show. Today I'm going to share with you one of my latest makes, McCall's pattern 8146. For this pattern, I used a beautiful polka dot, rayon, and black and white. I went ahead and cut my pattern pieces and put them to the side. Now I am going to attach my tie ends to the exterior portion of the bodice area. I'm going to put one on the left and the right portion of the bodice. I've sewn up my side seams, and now I'm going to do another tie placement using the same pattern pieces for the front and exterior ties. I'm just going to go ahead and make some interior ties to keep my wrap top secured. Now I have my interior ties placed inside of the top, and I'll be able to wrap it accordingly and make it secure when I'm wearing it. So I've sewn my peplum back to the front portion of the peplum. I have made the necessary markings to place it in the right place, and I am ready to sew it to the bodice. So now I've sewn the peplum to the bodice area, and I hemmed the peplum here. I am now ready to start working on my sleeves. I've also attached my neck facing to the neck and the bodice front area. Now I am ready to add my sleeves to the armhole section. For the sleeve head, I use a medium weight woven linen to keep it sturdy and structured. This pattern is very cute. It's a cute cut. I love the puff sleeves here. I love the wrap top portion as well with the side tie. And so it really is a cute pattern. And you have the peplum bottom portion under your bodice. However, there were some missing elements on the instructions as well as the pattern pieces that didn't really work well to make this pattern cohesive. I attempted this pattern in the spring, and I had a nice chiffon type fabric, but it did not work out accordingly. So I just put it to the side and I said, I can't do this right now. Something's wrong with this pattern. So I recently saw it again and I said, let me try this again, because I already went through it. I cut it out. I kind of knew what things were missing. So this time I'm using this rayon fabric in this black and white polka dot for the fall. And I said, okay, let me try it again. And this is how it came out. It came out cute. However, when you are attempting this pattern, you must note that some things are missing. So on the outer portion, the instructions tell you to go ahead and make your ties on the outer bodice portion of both the left and the right bodice. However, that's all they tell you. It's nothing for the interior for you to keep the top wrapped and keep it secure. So I had to go ahead and make 4 ties instead of 2 to insert on the left side seam and the right, on the right portion of the bodice so it can tie, okay? So you have to do an interior tie, and that's gonna tie with your outer tie, and then on the left side, you're gonna have another tie on the outer portion that you're gonna tie together. Just like a basic wrap top that you might notice or see in other patterns. So that was the issue, and you have to really, you know, kind of be well versed with sewing in order to kind of figure that out, because if not, you're gonna be like, what is this saying? And for me, I like to follow the instructions of the pattern. I don't want to waste fabric, and I don't want to, you know, make too many mistakes, because, you know, with sewing, you're gonna make mistakes sometimes, but, you know, that was a big deal here. So I guess they had a mishap. They didn't, you know, the pattern wasn't reviewed correctly when they were making it. Also, on the sleeve, there are sleeve heads, kind of like shoulder pads. You make your own. You need to use maybe a sturdier fabric than what you would for your, like if you're gonna do a chiffon or this rayon, you need something a little sturdier to, if you want those sleeves to be like, you know, really puffy and stuff. So I used like a heavyweight linen fabric for my sleeve head. One thing I did note though, when you are making your sleeve head, at the top portion of your sleeve head and the bottom portion, you're gonna gather the top portion and the bottom portion. Okay, I don't think the pattern suggests that at all, but that helps make that sleeve head sturdy and puffy so it can stand out on your sleeves. So it's a cute pattern, really like it, really enjoyed making it, I guess, maybe. I just like the final result. It did come out kind of cute. What else? I would make it again, knowing what I know now. Maybe in a different sleeve length. They do have a long sleeve length you can do as well. And it's cute. And I like this flouncy portion here. So, yeah. So this is how I made it. And, you know, this is my review of it. Cute, perfect for going to work or going to a little outing or out to eat or whatever. You know, it's a cool little top. You know, you can wear a variety of places and live your best life. So cute, like it. Just those minor details on the instructions really kind of like threw me off, but you know, as sewists and sewers, we, you know, maneuver things all the time, making things shorter, longer, bigger, wider, tighter, whatever. So, you know, just part of the process. So thank you so much for watching the Tracey Show. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you guys soon. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.